play house.
What do you have for us today, Haley?
Season 3 Shopkins.
Yeah, some Season 3 Shopkins.
Like these Shopkins.
Yeah, so we've got...
Do you want to open these?
Yeah, we will. We've got 4 Shopkins 3 blind baskets. That's pretty cool.
So we're going to share.
Yeah, we can share.
I want to win this one.
And we've got Shopkins Season 3 in a 5-pack. That's pretty cool. And then the coolest part about today is we have this Scoops ice cream truck. This thing looks awesome.
Could it fly?
Yeah, you should be able to push it around. It looks like the wheels move. Awesome, I love ice cream. Whoa, that looks so cool. You can have a lot of fun with this.
Here's a cool one.
Yeah.
Let's open it.
You want to do these first? All right, so we're gonna open our Shopkins Season 3 blind baskets. Awesome. Hopefully we get some good ones.
Yeah,
Start collecting Season 3. I like these new baskets. They look pretty cool.
My basket size.
Well, they look like shopping baskets. All of these are cool. Let's see, and we got our list. Our new list. Whoa, so here's the new list. Awesome. Those bakery items look good. Whoa, and look, here's some of the limited edition ones. Those look awesome. Cool. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Look at this cake.
Ow! Look at my lollipop.
Oh, you got like a candy apple. Those are really yummy. Whoa, what else did we get? Let's see here. Oh my goodness, what is this?
Noodles!
You got noodles? Oh, you got like spaghetti and meatballs or something. Okay, so let's see.
I like yours.
Awesome, so this is Wendy wedding cake right here. And it's a rare. And then let's see, we've got Kiwi Kiwi. It's a cute name in the fruit and veggies section. Awesome, and what did you get?
Apple.
Yeah, this is a candy apple, so
Some noodles.
probably on the sweets and treats. Yep, it's candy apple, cute. And it's in this color. Awesome.
And I got some noodles.
Some noodles, let's see here. Spaghetti, where would that be? Oh, international food. Netty spaghetti. Oh, this is adorable. I love spaghetti.
And I eat it today.
You did, actually, yeah, you did have spaghetti today. Awesome, let's open another one. You are quick. And another list, of course.
Gosh.
Wow, this one's really big. Can you see it? Looks like French toast or something. Oh, this one's a little telephone. This is an old school rotary phone. Wow, I haven't seen one of these in a long time. Oh, and this does look like French toast.
Really big too.
Yours is really big too?
Oh.
Oh, what did you get for yours? Oh my goodness, you got Pop Rocks.
I like Pop Rocks.
Yeah, they're pretty yummy.
Did I eat them before?
Yeah, you've had Pop Rocks before.
Ew, ew,
A shoe?
ew.
Whoa, a shoe. So this is Lizzie Lace Up. That's cute. And then let's see, where's the Pop Rock? That's cool. And then, oh, this is banana bread, not French toast. Lana Banana Bread. It's a cute name. Banana bread's good. Do you like banana bread? It's pretty yummy. And then we got Chatter. And that's a rare. Cool. Whoa, so we got some pretty good stuff in the blind baskets. And then of course we can put all our Shopkins in these little baskets. Pretend like we're going shopping.
Yummy, 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 yummy,
Wow, this thing is really sweet looking.
I want some ice cream.
Cool, let's open this up.
I like ice cream.
Me too.
We got everything out of the package.
Yeah.
So got this.
What's this? Oh, this is like a sign to show that they're selling ice cream.
Some of these.
These are cooler bags to keep the ice creams cool so they don't melt.
Some of these.
This is an ice cream stand. Oh, we lost somebody. And it came with 2 cones and like an ice cream cup. Wow. Ooh, Wendy wedding cake ice cream cone. That would be yummy.
What is that?
That's an extra one. So it's pretty cool. There's a little ice cream stand and it did come with an extra cup. And we've got these exclusive ones. This is Wally Water. And this is Kylie Cone. And of course, the best part, this is so cool. So here's the ice cream truck. Look at this. And it's got the speaker for the ice cream music. Ice cream truck music. Look at that. And here's a sink. And you can store your ice cream inside here. And a steering wheel and everything. And of course the wheels move.
No, it's not me.
Do 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 do. Ice cream for everyone! Yay!
We want ice cream, please.
Ooh, okay. Well, I have a special flavor. This is Kylie Cone, and it's vanilla with chocolate and a little bit of strawberry on top. And I've got a special topping for you. This is Pop Rock topping. It is so good. There you go. That'll be $2. Just one? Where's the other $1? You gave it to somebody else? Well, I gotta have $2 for the ice cream. I think I just got cheated out $1 by a 4-year-old.
I'm just kidding.
Thanks.
It's now one.
Oh, another one. Tipping. Oh, you're tipping me. Thank you. Well, you can enjoy the ice cream stand.
I'm all done.
Oh my goodness, you're fast. Put the little Kylie Cone in there. Well, this is super sweet. You could definitely have so much fun. Yeah, they can go in. They can drive. Let's see. Pop Rock can be a passenger. Yeah, you could store all your Shopkins in here. There's plenty of room for Shopkins.
Let's open this before we go have friends.
Okay, like more Shopkins friends?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, look at that one. It's like metallic. Ooh, look at that. That looks yummy. Awesome. Here you go. You want to open it? There's also a hidden Shopkin in there. Can't wait to see what that one is. Wonder if it could be a limited edition. That would be so cool. Okay, so like I said, it came with the hidden Shopkins. Kind of see what it is. Here you go, Haley. You want to open that? While Haley's trying to open that up, we'll look at these. This is, I think this is Hattie Hat. I think so. I don't know what this one is. If you know the name of this one, let us know in the comments. Looks super yummy, like a sundae. Oh, it's even got like a heart.
There's a boot.
Oh, we got a boot. This is Jennifer Ray, I think. Or Jennifer Rain, maybe, is how you say it. Since it's like a rain boot. Oh, and then we got Queen of Tarts. And then the last one we got is Scony. Oh, that's really cute. This looks super yummy too. Lots of yummy things today. Which is perfect with our ice cream truck. And then we also got 5 of these Shopkins bags. Oh my goodness, you are right. It's that banana bread. Wow. Ah, they'll be fine. Whoa. Oh no. Ice cream everywhere. Oh boy. Oh, grab the truck! Grab the truck! I almost lost it.
Okay, let's do that again. Now you, Sally. Don't break it on the truck.
Don't put it on the truck? Okay, we'll put him inside. There you go, you can put him inside. Yeah, Daddy's dangerous.
Dad, no reckless driving.
No reckless driving, okay. I'll try to keep myself under control. Whoa. So, these came with a lot of different things today, huh? They've got all these different bags. It's pretty cool. So this is made by Moose Toys. They do a really good job with the Shopkins, and then they make a lot of other stuff.
He's driving. You.
Oh no, Pop Rocks doesn't have a license? Whoa! Pop Rocks! I'm sorry! I just wanted to try.
Tell me your Shopkins you like in the comments below.
Do you got the hiccups? Yeah, tell us which Shopkins you like in the comments below. Which one of these from the video?
If I spit video, that.
Yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Your hiccups are so cute. And share it with all your friends, right?
Yeah. Scott was my face like this one.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe for more Shopkins videos. We also do My Little Pony, Disney Princess, and even hiccups, I guess, right? And we always have lots and lots of fun. We'll see everyone tomorrow. Yeah, hiccups. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
That is fun. Thank you for gaming.
You're welcome. Oh no, you're destroying everything. I worked so hard to put them in a place.
Daddy, it's okay. I'll clean it up.
Okay. Here, I'll help you.